Well, here we are once again, talking this time about marketing concepts. You must be getting a little tired of seeing me. I hope not. This lecture follows directly on from the market research lecture that we had previously. And marketing concepts are how people market to the consumer, to the customer. And it's important that designers understand the marketing concepts, because you as designers will often work with people who are doing the marketing, and you need to understand the terminology that they use. Marketing is the process of communicating the value of a service or a product to the customer so that in the end the customer adopts that product. It's a critical business function in attracting customers. We're going to talk about customer orientation. An organisation in the marketplace survives by producing goods and services to people that are willing to buy. We often hear that expression, a willing buyer and a willing seller. Well, here we have a marketplace full of willing buyers, and we are, as organisations, willing sellers, but we have to get those two to meet, and marketing is how we get them to meet. The 4 Ps is often talked about, the SIVA, the solution, information, value and access. And the 4 Ps have become a little outdated. Some people talk about 5 Ps, some people talk about 7 Ps. But I will talk about all versions of it, and we'll start with the 4. That is product, promotion, price and place. And you can go through and then see the 7 Ps that I've also put in the lecture and get a real feeling for what are the things that make a product or a service go through to the customer. We're also going to talk about herd behaviour. We know so often people buy because other people buy. Some people call it word of mouth, but it's more than that. There is a behaviour when we see a queue, that people hop on the end of it to buy because they believe that there's something that's real value going in. When we see a busy restaurant, that's the one we go in because we're happy that other people find it to be a good product. And some organisations like Amazon and eBay, they let their customers know how popular a certain product is to try to create herd behaviour. We'll link back into the market research that we talked about earlier on, the primary research and the secondary research, and we'll talk about desk research as well. We'll talk in this lecture about market segmentation. Market segmentation is the division of the market into consumers of particular types, consumers looking for particular types of products, sub-segments as well. And when you have similar products and similar market segments, then it's really important to understand your individual segmentation. Marketing strategy is an important thing. People don't just go out there and market. They have a strategy that they approach the market with, and they have an in-depth understanding of their market environment to point that strategy towards. Brand and brand management are really the area where designers get most involved, as well as obviously designing the product, but managing the brand, designing the carriage of the brand through advertising and promotional material are really important things, and designers get deeply involved in this area, and the marketeers are really important partners in the development of a brand and in managing a brand. And many designers end up being brand managers. And we'll talk about the use of technology. We'll talk about customer relationship management systems, CRMs. We'll talk about the hardware, and we'll talk about the software. These are important aspects of a marketing program. And so I recommend once again this lecture to you. I think that you will find it interesting, and I think it'll inform how you practice in the marketplace that is design, and how you get your organisation's products and services to their final marketplace. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this particular lecture.